Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to Techxplorers channel, where we dive into the latest and greatest in technology. Today we have something truly special, new tech gadgets to share with you. Turn any surface into a touchscreen, like magic. Introducing the Alight Interactive Smart Projector. The smartest AR projector instantly transforms your tabletop into a massive 32-inch touchscreen that responds to your gestures and touch. It's like having a giant tablet right on your desk. Super lightweight and compact, Alight fits right into your pocket or bag, ready to go anywhere you need it. Controlled by millimeter-level projection touch and cutting-edge AI recognition technologies, your desktop transforms into anything you want. A musical instrument, a Kindle, a drawing board, and more. With just one click, cast your favorite games onto the display. Use it in the kitchen to show recipes on your countertop while you cook, or boost learning fun for kids. Alight makes every surface come alive. Experience the future of interactive surfaces with Alight. Perfect for home, office, or on the go, it brings endless possibilities to your fingertips. Discover the magic of Alight Interactive Smart Projector. Turn any surface into a touchscreen and explore a world of creativity and convenience. Step into a new dimension with the Brilliant Ultra Reality trademark display. The first desktop monitor to offer image depth for an unparalleled immersive experience. Feast your eyes on a 122 inches virtual image, brimming with breathtaking clarity and detail, high-resolution, ultra-smooth frame rates, and a color gamut and dynamic range that will take your breath away. Experience crystal-clear, razor-sharp images that make you feel like you're right in the middle of the action. Plus, the image depth relaxes your eye muscles, reducing eye fatigue. Brilliant engineers have perfected the 3D profile of the depth plane to create the best balance between immersion and comfort. The depth profile fits natural human horopters, pulling you into the digital world like never before. No special software or content needed. Brilliant Ultra Reality is compatible with FreeSync, G-Sync, existing simulation training software, PC games, and desktop applications. Connect via HDMI or DisplayPort and your computer recognizes it as one large monitor. Enjoy 122 of amplified 700 plus nits brightness in native HDR, 144 Hz, and 4K base resolution. Prepare to be amazed by the stunning visuals and seamless performance. Trust us, this time you won't believe your eyes. Experience the future of displays with Brilliant Ultra Reality. Introducing Voyager on a groundbreaking marvel that redefines e-bike excellence. Meticulously crafted over 2 years, Voyager 1 transcends mere transportation. It's the epitome of sophistication, comfort, and unparalleled performance. Bid compromise adieu and embrace a realm of comfort and unmatched performance. Prepare to embark on a journey as we unveil Voyager 1, poised to elevate your riding experiences to unprecedented levels. In close partnership with Italy's Olli Motors, we've engineered a ride that's powerful, yet effortlessly smooth. Our approach: balance. A ride that exhilarates without overwhelming. Crafted for safety, Voyager 1 is engineered to prevent the risk of control loss, ensuring every journey is secure. It's not just about power, it's about achieving graceful control. Voyager 1 is built with carbon fiber, boasting a tensile strength of 4,900 megapascals compared to steel's 400 to 500 megapascals. This exceptional toughness and elasticity ensure unparalleled structural strength and riding experience. Stand out with Voyager 1's unique and thoughtful design. High-beam headlights with a deep blue ambient glow seamlessly merge with the handlebars, while the in-frame wireless phone charging cabin ensures you stay connected and powered up. Our custom-made battery box, featuring 60 powerful Samsung 21,700 cores, supports electric-assisted riding for over 100 kilometers with just 3.5 hours of charging. In the future, extend your range to over 200 kilometers with our battery range extension packages. Voyager 1, where sophistication meets performance. Introducing the Iseco APL-35, your ultimate companion for every adventure. Ultra light, ultra aesthetic, ultra energy efficient. Take the comfort of modern convenience with you wherever you go. The Iseco APL-35 dual zone aluminum freezer is designed to endure the harshest environments, keeping your food fresh and drinks ice cold for days. Power your journey with deep cooling from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 68 degrees Fahrenheit. dual zone temperature control, and a lightweight, durable aluminum build. Embrace the ultimate in portable refrigeration and enjoy the freedom of extended outdoor living. Most 35L portable fridges on the market are made of steel or plastic, weighing between 40 to 50 pounds. The APL 35 stands out by using lightweight aluminum, weighing only 32 lbs, making it the lightest 35-liter dual-zone aluminum portable freezer available. The Iseco APL 35 features a 27L plus 8L dual-zone cooling system, allowing you to independently control the temperature in each compartment. Keep beverages icy cold while maintaining optimal freshness for perishables. Utilizing the industry-leading SecUp Nano compressor from Germany, the APL 35 delivers highly efficient and energy-saving cooling. It drops from 77 degrees Fahrenheit to 32 degrees Fahrenheit in just 11 minutes, making it one of the best in the SecUp lineup. Within a 10-meter range, pair your APL 35 with your mobile device via Bluetooth. Adjust the temperature, switch modes, and access other settings without having to be near the fridge, enhancing your outdoor experience with seamless control. Experience the freedom of the great outdoors with the Iseco APL 35, your ultimate adventure companion. Introducing Kublet, the ultimate simple, tiny, yet powerful data tracker. Check the weather, your favorite coin, wallet, UST yield, blood sugar, NFTs, network stats, calendar, and more, all at a glance. Track data in real time with Kublet. Connect your phone, select from our wide collection of apps, and sync. Fetch data over Wi-Fi or BLE. Track coins, Forex, NFTs, wallets, CGM, sports scores, weather, train times, Grafana, Splunk, CPU stats, and more. Spend less time checking your phone and managing multiple browser tabs. With Kublet, monitor critical data with just a glance, boosting your productivity. Gain a lot of productivity by having a tiny companion screen at your desk. Monitor everything you need without missing a beat. Kublet, your ultimate data tracker. Simplify your life and stay informed. Introducing the LaserPecker 4, the world's easiest dual laser switching solution for all your engraving and cutting needs. Fiber lasers are great for engraving metal and plastic, while diode lasers excel at engraving and cutting wood, leather, and glass. But what if you could have both in one machine? With LaserPecker 4, you can switch smoothly between two laser sources with just a swipe on the touchscreen. No complicated setup needed, get the work done in seconds. LaserPecker 4 boasts unprecedented 8K engraving accuracy down to 0.01 mm granularity. With high-speed galvanometer technology, it engraves at up to 2000 mm per s. The result? Images so vivid they look printed, yet permanently engraved. What does 8K 1270 dpi resolution mean? It means your engravings will be as detailed and vivid as printed images, permanently etched into your object. With an impressive 160 x 300 mm working area, LaserPecker 4 handles all your ambitious ideas. Customize irregular cylinders with the rotary extension, supporting diameters from 3 mm to 200 mm. Whether conical, spherical, cylindrical, or annular, LaserPecker 4 easily rotates and engraves them all. LaserPecker 4's cutting performance is unmatched. It cuts 5 mm thick wood boards in one pass, with improved speed and quality. Engraving and cutting go hand in hand with the new LaserPecker app. Plus, enable a startup password to prevent accidental use by children. Safety first with LaserPecker's protective shield and goggles, blocking 99.9% of harmful lasers. Elevate your creativity and productivity. Experience the future of engraving and cutting with LaserPecker 4. Introducing the Creatualize X1, the revolutionary hands-free vacuum robot designed specifically for dust mites and pet hair removal, keeping your bed spotless with just the touch of a button. Using advanced robotic technology, user-friendly one-button operation, and intelligent self-navigation. Introducing Creatualize X1, a convenient device designed to revolutionize your bed cleaning experience and alleviate the frustrations of dealing with dust mite issues. Liberate yourself from the tedious task of bed cleaning. With just a press of a button, X1 begins a thorough cleaning, giving you more free time to relax, enjoy a cup of coffee, or spend time with family. X1 features an advanced auto sensor. Upon leaving the cleaning surface or being lifted, UVC lights instantly turn off to prevent leakage, ensuring safer use. HEPA filtration prevents secondary pollution of the surrounding air, keeping your environment clean and safe. Experience the future of bed cleaning with Creatualize X1. Enjoy a cleaner, healthier sleeping environment effortlessly.